Dropship.io versus Tradelle. Which is better? Links to both platforms are in the description below. Let's get straight into the comparison. Dropship.io is a comprehensive dropshipping tool designed for entrepreneurs looking to streamline their e-commerce businesses. It offers powerful features like product research, competitor analysis, and inventory management, all in one platform. Dropship.io is known for its user-friendly interface, allowing users to quickly identify profitable products and track competitor pricing and strategies. The platform also integrates with major e-commerce platforms like Shopify, making it easier to manage your store from one place. However, the cost can be a bit steep for beginners, and the learning curve, while not too high, might still require some initial investment of time. Tradelle, on the other hand, is a more niche platform that focuses specifically on connecting dropshippers with reliable suppliers. Tradelle stands out for its strong emphasis on supplier quality and the vetting process, ensuring that users are only dealing with reputable sources. This platform is ideal for those who are just starting out and want to ensure they have access to trustworthy suppliers without sifting through countless options. Tradelle's user interface is straightforward, making it easy for beginners to navigate. However, it doesn't offer the same level of advanced tools for competitor analysis or product research as Dropship.io does. So, who are these platforms for? Dropship.io is best suited for established dropshippers or those ready to dive deep into the competitive landscape. If you're serious about scaling your business and need robust tools to stay ahead of the competition, Dropship.io's features for market analysis and product tracking will be invaluable. However, its cost and complexity might be overkill for those just starting out or those with simpler needs. Tradelle, on the other hand, is ideal for beginners or those who prioritize finding reliable suppliers above all else. If you're just getting started with dropshipping and want to ensure you're working with quality suppliers, Tradelle's focus on vetting makes it a safer choice. However, if you need more advanced features to grow and optimize your business, you might find Tradelle's offerings a bit limited. In terms of pricing, Dropship.io generally comes at a higher cost due to its extensive features, but it offers more value for those who need advanced tools. Tradelle is typically more affordable and is a better option if you're focused on building relationships with suppliers rather than deep market analysis. Final verdict. If you're looking for a comprehensive tool that offers advanced features for product research, competitor analysis, and inventory management, Dropship.io is the better option. However, if you're just starting out and want a reliable platform to connect with trustworthy suppliers, Tradelle is likely the better choice. That's the comparison. Be sure to check the links in the description to explore each platform further and decide which one best fits your dropshipping needs.